Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube video using the YouTube Studio app on your phone. So if you're having issues with this, well, you want to go over to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and select this and go to search and type in YT Studio and open this up and get this application. This is going to be by Google and download it to your phone. So mine is just updating right now. It's taking a long time, but I have it on the home screen of my iPhone. So let's go to it. YT Studio right here and select it. And then we can go on over to content and locate the video in which you want to go ahead and delete. And there's a couple different ways that we can do it. So we can select the three little dots next to the video, and it's going to give an option to delete here on the bottom, or we can share, edit, etc. But otherwise, we can click the video, go to the edit option on the top, right next to the arrow, then scroll on down to more options, tag, short, remixing, categories. And then we can delete the video right there on the bottom. So there's two different ways in which you can delete this and remove it from your YouTube account. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.